Hi, I'm Wendy Gardiner. I'm going to show you how to use this really nifty tool set which you used to apply the small snaps. This tool set is really perfect for attaching the fashion snaps because you have to hammer the parts together, but with this set your hand is nowhere near the hammer. I'm going to use the tool with these fashion snaps, and they come in different colours with solid pearl tops, flat coloured tops, or even ring tops. Each snap has 4 parts. You have the outer part, in this case it's got a lovely pearl top and its mate, and then you have the male and its mate. I'm going to start with those two first. Just set the others aside for a minute. So I need to attach the male to the inside of my bag. So the first thing to do is open up the tool and lay the spikes in the shallow dish at the bottom. That then sits under the fabric where I want it to come through. Now, if you're using quite thick fabric, it's a good idea to just use tweezers or the points of scissors just to help push the fabric onto those spikes. You then close the middle, holding the fabric in place, and then top with the male, and it just sits there on the spikes. Close that down, and now give it 2 or 3 whacks with the hammer. And note you can keep your fingers away from it all and you won't accidentally hammer yourself. Open it up, and that's the first part of your snap attached. And now we have to attach the other half to the other side. I'm now going to attach the other half. Now, because I'm using a domed pearly top, I need to change the little dish here. So I just pop it out with a pair of scissors and turn it over to get a deeper dish. Pop that in place. Now this time, of course, I'm going to put the outer into the dish, and I've marked where I want the centre to come through on my fabric. And then again, I'm going to use the tweezers just to help push the fabric onto the spikes. This will just help them stick together later. Put the centre down to hold the fabric in place, and then attach the top ring. Again, it just drops into that slot. Close it down, 2 or 3 whacks with a hammer, and that should be done. I'm going to check to see. If it's not, I can always do it a little bit more. I'm just going to give it another whack to be sure. And there it is, attached. So that's now ready to popper closed. I've done a similar job on this little makeup bag. Again, it has a snap to hold it all together. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.